Right now, Americans are spending $9.4 billion today just on food, and almost none of it is coming back to them. Let me show you the trap hiding inside this holiday. The average American is spending a record $94 on food alone this July 4th weekend. A simple cookout for 10 people now costs $7.38 per person, the highest it's been in almost 10 years. Ground beef jumped over 5% this year alone. Now add fireworks. Spending on those has tripled since 2014, sitting at over $2 billion a year. Add travel, alcohol, and decorations, and total spending today is projected to hit $15 billion in one day.
Here's the trap. None of that money is working for you. It's not an investment. It's not an asset. By tomorrow, it's just gone. I'm not saying skip the cookout. Celebrate. But here's the fix. Before you spend that $94 on food, move even $20 into an investment account first. That $20, growing at 8% a year, becomes over $200 in 30 years. The hot dog? Gone in 5 minutes. The investment? Still growing decades from now. Same holiday, same fun. Just one extra step your future self will thank you for. Comment with a fireworks emoji if you're investing something today before the grill turns on. Subscribe because I break down real money stories like this every week. Happy 4th.
Banana.